everyone. The New York City Police Department would like to remind you to keep your belongings intact and to stay aware of your surroundings. If you see something suspicious in the station, train, tell a police officer or an MTA employee.
Hello everyone. Masks are still required even if you're vaccinated. Mask up and stay safe, New York.
September 2022, J trains are not running to Sutton Boulevard, JFK Airport, or Jamaica Center, Parsons Archer, while we replace tracks. Z service is not running. Take an E train instead. Use the J99 bus to connect from 121st Street to Jamaica Van Wyck on the E line. There is no elevator access at 121st Street. Take an M train to Little Westbrook Avenue.
servicio de tren Z. Tome un tren E en su lugar. Para el servicio entre la calle 121 y Jamaica Center en la línea E, tome el autobús J99. The next stop is en la calle 121.
Oh, like train? Yeah, sorry. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to catch this. I'm sorry.
Attention everyone, until September 2022, J trains are not running to Sutton Boulevard, JFK Airport, or Jamaica Center, Parsons Archer while we replace tracks. Z service is not running. Take an E train instead. Use the J99 bus to connect from 121st Street to Jamaica Van Wyck on the E line. There is no elevator access at 121st Street. Take an M train to Myrtle Wyckoff Avenues for the Q55 bus or to Metropolitan Avenue for the Q54 bus. See nycta.info to learn more.
Alright, so this is for the dumbass YouTuber Kenneth Rambert. You say that the Z doesn't exist and the J runs local at all times? Think again. You see this sign right here? JZ Skip Stop Express. Z train Skip Stop Express and rush hour 6Z. Weekdays J and Z runs express from Myrtle to Marcy weekday mornings. Other times J train makes all stops. Just remember that Z, during the time of this filming, that Z train service as well as Skip Stop Express service is currently suspended, and there is no J train service between 121 Street and Parsons Archer due to concrete replacement as well as track and signal repair work. So this is it. Once again, thank you for watching this video. I love all you guys dearly, and I can't wait to see all of you at the next stop.